We started the garden program because in our strategic planning we had identified childhood obesity as a huge risk for a lot of our students because of food insecurity. Less nutritious foods are less expensive because of the risk for childhood obesity, and for children not getting enough healthy foods, we decided to start a garden program to teach them about gardening, to help them have increased access to healthy foods, to help them prefer healthy foods over junk food, to help them eat more fresh fruits and vegetables. So our experience has been that if kids are involved in planting and growing fresh fruits and vegetables, they are much more likely to eat them, even if they thought they didn't like them before. And it's working. Started with raised beds on a parking lot over across from the greenhouse classroom now, and those were built by volunteers, and we had some garden educators that brought groups of kids out and planted. We've added raised beds at all of our sites, and we have YFS Fullerton Farm out in Box Elder. It's 3.4 acres, and we've been developing it slowly because funding for it ebbs and flows, and we have to keep it a manageable size, but we're doing some planning for how we're going to develop that land. Transportation out to the farm is an issue for them to go out regularly, but we do have field trips to the farm throughout the summer. Produce that we grow at the farm we bring back to our kitchens, and they're served to the kids. And some of the produce, if there's extra, we put it out for families to take, and families are always happy to get it. We put recipes out for how to fix whatever the produce is. Well, the grant from the American Heart Association was for teaching gardens. I consider all of our gardening efforts teaching gardens because kids learn so much. They explore, their curiosity is there, and just going into our greenhouse classroom makes me feel like a kid that wants to explore and see every little thing around.